Right then, hello and welcome to Bailey's. In this little video, we are looking at the day-night Volans 4K from Pixfra. So this is a day-night scope, which obviously allows you to have full colour in the daytime as well as a night vision mode, and it's got the addition of a laser rangefinder on top for ballistic calculations, which can be entered into the scope to provide you with a ballistic solution downrange. So a brief look, this is my first time looking at this as well. A brief look at this on here. You've got a battery port on the side for a single 18650, which is what this runs on. You've got your menu control on the top, which is single press for quick edit settings like contrast, brightness and image sharpness. Press and hold and it puts you into the full menu. On the back, we've got 3 buttons, which is your laser rangefinder button. You've got photo and video, and then day and night mode, which is...
It's not day and night mode, that is your palettes.
That's your colour palettes, there you go.
So the day and night mode is automatic. But there are several colour palettes you can use either during the day or at night. So
I'll start recording on this. I'll give a wave so the editing works. So if I press that, so that's into black and white mode. That's into green. Sepia.
I particularly like the sepia for night vision mode.
Yeah, because it's not too aggressive on the old eyes,
So it's got the auto modes within the scope for day and night. You can switch that off and just do it manually like you have, if that's what you prefer.
That's good.
There's lots of different settings you can change and basically configure it for your preferences.
So for the sake of this video, if I press that once, you can see the quick thing come up there. It's in auto mode for changing between day and night. And then you've got your image brightness, contrast, sharpness. And what's that at the bottom? That is smart IR. So that's basically going to, if you've got really bright IR on there, it's going to regulate it like so you don't get white out. So that's ideal. And then if you press and hold, you've got a full menu system with zeroing profiles, zeroing in general, smart ballistics, the power light that's on the side, brightness, and then your standard settings and picture-in-picture and Wi-Fi and stuff like that. So that's all there. So yeah, this is my first time looking at this. Oh, and it's got an aperture on the front here, a manual aperture for day and night mode, or depending on how bright it is. Like it was quite bright today. The sun's hiding now, but you can close the aperture so you're not going to get whited out on a bright day. So that's not too bad at all. So what we're going to do now, I've entered the ballistic data for CCI standards into this, which is what this rifle's shooting. I did zero it without the moderator, and now I'm running a moderator, so there's a slight point of impact difference. That's on me. But we're going to show how the reticle moves, how you get the secondary cross to show you your ballistic drop. So as we're looking at the 100-yard target just down there, I'm going to press the range button and you'll see a yellow reticle appear. So you put that onto the target and it's given me 93 yards. So it's provided me a ballistic solution there. And now I'm going to zoom in. And as you can see, that ballistic solution is moving down as I zoom in. So technically speaking, it should be centre of plate there, but it's grouping a little bit higher because of the mod. But what we shall do is we shall take that into account and just aim centre of plate there. And it's doing the job. On the centre of there, so that's good. Same here. So that's absolutely smack on. And we'll try at 200 yards. So I'm going to zoom out because the LRF reticle's slightly high and left because this has got a 20 MOA rail on it, which will make a difference. It's not the scope's fault, it's our preferences. So range 200, there you go. And it's showing the red cross off the bottom of the reticle. So we're going to have a crack at that. And we'll put that red cross in the middle of the gong. What's the wind doing? Slight left to right. So we're going to hold left edge. There you go. Nice. Centre of plate. And one more for good luck. Just low centre of plate at 200. So the ballistics are working an absolute treat. especially if I didn't have the mod on, which is how I normally shoot this rifle. So that's absolutely banging. What's the recommended retail price on these ones?
So that one with the laser rangefinder is £789.95.
So it's available without that as well?
It is available without that. So if you don't need or want it, it's £639.95.
It's cheap as chips for night vision, isn't
it? It is, yeah. It's good value.
What does it work like in low light?
Very, very good.
So it's got a high ISO kind of situation going on.
So obviously you've got your aperture you can open up there.
Oh, that's cool.
But then obviously it automatically will click into your black and white, full-on night mode, IR mode, when needed.
Yeah, superb. So these are going to be on, these are on my website at Bailey Shooting, both options. If you were going to move them around onto different guns, because you can have various profiles, we also do these inno mount systems. I have faith in these beyond anything else, because every time I've used them, I can take a scope off, bang it back on, and it just does the job, which is what I need, that reliability of accuracy. So, I mean, these things, you can literally just pop these buttons off here, pop open the sides, that comes away, stick it on your 243, go out and do some deer stalking, and then when you're going to go out and do some more rabbits, you can just pop that straight back onto there, and that's it. Super simple. So, yeah, these are on my website, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.